Eh? You fluffed up little animal. Come out of there. Out of there. Doucement. Hey? Ça va, ça va. Oh, the others will come soon. Where they come. Hey? Yeah, well, the others didn't come out of the backyard. They're too busy eating. I need to go and get them. Hey? Hey, thank you. Well, yes. Well, if you call them, they'll come. Okay. Okay, Hanneke. Hey, what do you think of all that? Hey, bitty dog. Come and eat some grass. The others will come soon. I don't know. They know the way. Hey, off you paw. Come on then. Come on. Thank you. There we go. There we go. Have some grass. I'm going to get the others now, eh? There we go. Hey, it's passing. Hey, it's passing. I'll go and get them, eh? You want Kirsty, eh? Okay, let me go and get Kirsty. Stay there then. So we got V-Dog, and we have Benevo. Oh, I forgot to put the cat the right way. And Ami cat. I'll go and get the others. Dendeng. Dendeng. Dendeng.